RBI cancelled the license of the Yashwant Cooperative Bank, Faltan, Maharashtra on May 19, 2026 due to. Correct answer is ill-educated capital and poor financial condition. Next question. Central Bank of India is set to operationalize its IFSC banking unit at Gift City, Gandhinagar in. Correct answer is first week of June 2026. Next question. India overtook which country to become Bangladesh second largest trading partner in Feb 2026? Correct answer is United States. Next question. NHAI launch project Saksham in partnership with Vartis Foundation to. Correct answer is empower rural women through skill development and employment. Next question. Delhi CM Lekha Gupta launched rupees 10 crore talent hunt scheme for youth aged 16 to 35 named. Correct answer is हौसलों की उड़ान 2026/27. Next question. Dr. Jitendra Singh dedicated Umeed program for rare genetic disorders. Umeed stands for. Correct answer is unique methods of management of inherited disorders. Next question. Bharat Text 2026 will be held in New Delhi from. Correct answer is 14 to 17 July 2026. Next question. Which of the following is not one of India's 8 core sectors? Correct answer is IT services. Next question. As per DPIIT, India's 8 core sector growth in April 2026 was. Correct answer is 1.7%. Next question. The 8 core sectors together account for what percent weight in index of industrial production? Correct answer is 40.27%. Next question. Greece Eurobank India office in Mumbai was inaugurated by. Correct answer is Cyprus President Nikos Christodoulides. Next question. India and Cyprus will mark 65 years of diplomatic relations on. Correct answer is 10th Feb 2027. Next question. NISM and IICA signed MOU to strengthen corporate governance and ESG ecosystem. NISM stands for. Correct answer is National Institute of Securities Market. Next question. India and Italy will celebrate 2027 as the. Correct answer is Year of Culture and Tourism. Next question. Bharat forged to set up India's first private sector facility for what in Visakhapatnam? Correct answer is marine gas turbine repair and overhaul. Next question. Mount Everest recorded highest single day summit with how many climbers on May 2026? Correct answer is 274. Next question. International Tea Day is observed globally on. Correct answer is 21st May. Next question. Theme of International Tea Day 2026 is. Correct answer is sustaining tea supporting communities. Next question. Siliguri corridor, also called a chicken snack, is situated in which state? Correct answer is West Bengal. Next question. International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on. Correct answer is 22nd May. Theme of International Day for Biological Diversity 2026 is. Correct answer is acting locally for global impact. Next question. Dave Cousins was appointed as head foreign coach of which Indian team in May 2026? Correct answer is compound archery. Next question. India's first indigenous greenfield semiconductor facility being set up in Moregaon, Assam has a budget of. Correct answer is 27,000 crore. Next question, Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board was ranked among world's top 5 water utilities at Global Water Summit 2026 held in. Correct answer is Madrid, Spain. Next question, first ICMR annual clinical trial was organized by ICMR in May 2026 at. Correct answer is New Delhi. Next question, Union Civil Aviation Ministers K. Ram Mohan Naidu inaugurated a statue of Bhagwan Birsa Munda and feature wall at. Correct answer is Birsa Munda Airport, Ranchi. Next question, Bharat Singh Chauhan was he appointed in May 2026 as president of. Correct answer is Commonwealth Chess Association. India and Italy have set a bilateral trade target of €20 billion by which year? Correct answer is 2029. Next question, RBI approved a surplus transfer of how much to the center for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is 2.87 lakh crore. Next question, RBI imposed a penalty of 10.10 lakh on City Union Bank for failing to report data related to. Correct answer is self-help group member level data. Next question, RBI imposed 2.70 lakh penalty on a company for appointing a director without. Correct answer is prior written approval from RBI. Next question, which became the first Indian company to surpass $120 billion revenue in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is Reliance Industries. Next question, Tata Power and Druk Green Power Corporation signed a pact for how much clean energy in Bhutan? Correct answer is 5,000 megawatt. Next question, KK Venugopal become the first Indian test pilot elected as a fellow of which society? Correct answer is Society of Experimental Test Pilots. Next question, Rajnath Singh laid the foundation stone for advanced medium combat aircraft in which state with rupees 15,000 crore investment? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question, India tested Agni-1 ballistic missile at Jandipur, Odisha. It is a. Correct answer is surface to surface missile. Next question, cricketer Vijay Shankar left which format of cricket? Correct answer is domestic or IPL cricket. Next question, Flipkart partner with India Post to boost. Correct answer is last mile delivery. Next question, who won the International Booker Prize 2026? Correct answer is Yan Zi. Next question, Italy is India's dash largest trading partner in the European Union. Correct answer is fourth. Next question, which state became the first to create India's first AI minister? Correct answer is Kerala. Next question, which club won the Indian Super League 2025-26? Correct answer is East Bengal FC. Next question, the 2025-26 Indian Super League was which edition? Correct answer is 12th edition. Next question, INS Sanghmitra launched in May 2026 is which type of vessel for the Indian Navy? Correct answer is second next generation offshore patrol vessel. Next question, the RBI surplus transfer of rupees 2.87 lakh CR is for which financial year? Correct answer is 2025-26. Next question. The India-Italy bilateral trade target by 2029 is. Correct answer is Euro 20 billion. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra chaired 63rd Central Board meeting in which city? Correct answer is Mumbai. Next question. Center extended the tenure of NCB Chief Anurag Garg till which date? Correct answer is July 2027. Next question. NCB formed on 17th March 1986 comes under which ministry? Correct answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question. SBI Mutual Fund acquired what percent stake in Bandhan Bank? Correct answer is 5%. Next question. Jump received IRDAI approval to distribute which products? Correct answer is insurance. Next question. IRDAI stands for. Correct answer is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Next question. Sky2 received approval to operate as a payment service provider and which location? Correct answer is GIFT City. Next question. Which state topped in linking health records to ABA after India crossed 100 CR records? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. ABA stands for. Correct answer is Ayushman Bharat Health Account. Next question. Union Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar launched which mobile app for senior citizens? Correct answer is G1. Next question. G1 stands for. The correct answer is Joint Elderly Empowerment and Virtual Assistance Network. Next question. NHAI signed MOU with which country's Geotechnical Institute for Tunnel Engineering? Correct answer is Sweden. Next question. Lulu Hypermarket plus APEDA launched which edition of Mango Mania in GCC countries? Correct answer is 22nd. Which country became the newest member of International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Next question. After Saudi Arabia joined, total IVCA members increased to. Correct answer is 26 members. Next question. BWSSB was ranked among top 5 global water utilities at Global Water Summit 2026 held in which city? Correct answer is Madrid. Next question. World Football Day is observed on 25th May. Next question. Gurinder Veer Singh won men's 100-meter bold with a new national record at Federation Cup held in which city? Correct answer is Ranchi. Next question. United World Wrestling postponed which event of 2026 due to geopolitical tension? Correct answer is World Wrestling Championship. SpaceX launched which rocket on test flight? Correct answer is Starship Super Heavy V3 mega rocket. Next question. Indian Army launched which application for logistic and sustainment management? Correct answer is Q-Force. Next question. Rajnath Singh inaugurated Naib Limited artillery shell plant in which city? Correct answer is City. Next question. Which force first ever all-women mountaineering team submitted Mount Everest during its Diamond Jubilee? Correct answer is BSF. Water Security Force. Next question. ITBP first all-women expedition successfully submitted? Correct answer is Mount Everest.
Chandrayaan 3 received which prestigious award from American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics? Correct answer is Goddard Astronautics Award. Next question, Major Abhilasha Bharat of Indian Army received which UN award for 2025? Correct answer is UN Military Gender Advocate Award. Petrol Bank appointed Ilyas George as part-time chairman for 3 years after RBI node. Which bank is referred to as a petrol bank? Correct answer is CSB Bank. Next question, RBI launched the Q-Safe panel to study quantum tech in banking. Who heads this 8-member expert committee? Correct answer is T. Ravi Shankar. Next question, Zigzag Technology recently received RBI authorization to operate as what? Correct answer is prepaid payment instrument issuer. Next question, consider the recent tie-up. Shriram General Insurance is the insurance company. Piramal Finance is a NBFC. The tie-up is for product distribution. So correct answer is all three, first, second and third. Next question, India Post revenue rose to rupees 15,373 crore in financial year 2025-26. This is stated to be one of the strongest revenues in how many years? Correct answer is 170 years. Next question, Gujarat government tied up with which tech company to deliver certificates via WhatsApp? Correct answer is Meta. Next question, two Indian origin public health scientists received South Africa's highest civilian honor. Name them. Correct answer is Salim Abdul Karim and Kirtan Dheda. Next question, Mahindra Agrawal and Dr. Soumya Swaminathan were elected as fellows of which institution in 2026? Correct answer is Royal Society of the United Kingdom. Next question, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan became the dash Indian woman in history to elected as a fellow to the Royal Society of the UK. Correct answer is third. Next question, 68th session of the governing body meeting of Asian Productivity Organization concluded in New Delhi. It was hosted by National Productivity Council under which department? Correct answer is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Next question, who won the Canadian Grand Prix 2026, registering his fourth consecutive F1 victory? Correct answer is Kimi Antonelli. Next question, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed on which date? Correct answer is 23rd May. Next question, equity inflows into India rose to how much during financial year 2026? Correct answer is 62.28 billion. Next question, LIC declared a final dividend of how much per equity share for financial year 2026? Correct answer is rupees 10. Next question, LIC consolidated net profit for quarter 4 financial year 2022 rose to, correct answer is 18,467 CR. Next question, Kimi Antonelli's Canadian GP 2026 win was his dash consecutive Formula 1 victory. Correct answer is fourth.
Amit Shah announced a high-level committee chaired by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Prakash Prabhakar Noilekar. The committee will address. Correct answer is natural demographic changes. Next question, PM Ajay portal launched by Dr. Virendra Kumar stands for. Correct answer is Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyodaya Yojana. Next question, Pradhan Mantri Ajay Yojana is an initiative by. Correct answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next question, SIDBI celebrated its 37th Foundation Day in Mumbai. It was established on. Correct answer is 2nd April 1990. Next question, headquarters of SIDBI and its current chairman and MD are. Correct answer is Lucknow and Manoj Mittal. Next question, SIDBI Matfin Mart is a digital platform to help MSME. Correct answer is access machinery and modern technology via structured marketplace. Next question, RBI said a director on board of cooperative banks who served continuously for 10 years can be reappointed only after. Correct answer is CER cooling off period. Next question, total Padma awards given in 2026 were. Correct answer is 5 Padma Vibhushan, 13 Padma Bhushan, 113 Padma Shri. Next question, who was presented Padma Bhushan in art category in 2026? Correct answer is both A and B. Next question, if Jod won the Palme d'Or at Cannes 2026, the film was directed by. Correct answer is Christian Mungiu. Next question, AIIB announced a $10 billion fund for West Asia conflict hit countries. AIIB stands for. Correct answer is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Next question, two new space hubs for rocket manufacturing in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu are. Correct answer is Forage Space Manufacturing Park near Ahmedabad and Space Vehicles Cluster in Thoothukudi. Next question, India's first ever Olympic gold was won by men's field hockey team at. Correct answer is 1928 Amsterdam Summer Olympics. Next question, government approved strategic sale of Indian Medicine Pharmaceutical Corporation Limited to Sky Map Pharma for over rupees 121 crore. IMPCL is under. Correct answer is Ministry of Ayush. Next question, India's first private medical museum recently opened in. Correct answer is Tiruvananthapuram. Next question, who is the governor of Kerala? Correct answer is Rajendra Vishwanath or Ilekar. Next question. Mission Karma Yogi 2.0 is related to. Correct answer is National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building. Next question, DPIIT stated guidelines for Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojana. The implementing agency is. Correct answer is National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation. Next question, India's first geothermal power project with ONGC will be established in. Correct answer is Puga Valley, Ladakh.